One day, my grandfather looked at me and said something that shook me. He said, "Never just save money." I was confused. Everyone tells us to save money for safety. But he told me saving alone is not enough. It sounded wrong at first, but his story changed my thinking forever. If you also believe saving is the only way, listen carefully. This lesson may change how you see money and your future. In his village, there was a man who always dreamed but never acted. He sat under a big tree every day and talked about becoming rich someday. But someday never came. His wife worked hard, but there was never enough food. One night, his hungry grandson asked for bread. There was nothing in the house. That night broke his heart. He understood dreams alone cannot feed a family. The next morning, he went to work for the first time. The sun was hot, the land was dry. He worked long hours and earned very little money. He tried saving coins in a jar. He felt proud hearing the coins drop inside. But prices went up. His savings bought less food. That day he learned something important. Saving money without growing it is slow and risky. Then he used his saved money to buy a few chickens. At first they gave 1 egg, then 2. He sold some eggs and bought more chickens. Slowly, his small idea started growing. The house felt alive again. One day he told me, "Money can finish, but smart work makes money grow." That was his real lesson. Do not just save money, make it grow.